Let's use didn't in the sentence. I didn't ask for help. Hindi ako humingi ng tulong. I didn't tell it to anybody. Hindi ko sinabi yun kahit kanino. I didn't see it. Hindi ko nakita yon. I didn't like it. Hindi ko nagustuhan yon. Didn't you go out? Hindi ka ba lumabas? She didn't go far. Hindi naman siya lumayo. She didn't show up. Hindi siya nagpakita. You lost, didn't you? Natalo ka, di ba? O kaya naman, nawala ka, di ba? I didn't inform you. Hindi kita sinabihan. The brake didn't work. Hindi gumana ang preno. He didn't study at all. Hindi man lang siya nag-aral. They didn't tell me so. Hindi nila ako sinabihan. Didn't you read the book? Hindi mo ba binasa ang libro? You didn't take it seriously. Hindi mo sineryoso. I didn't hear you come in. Hindi kita narinig na pumasok. I didn't know what to say. Hindi ko alam ang sasabihin ko. I didn't need to ask. Hindi ko kinailangang magtanong. I didn't go to school yesterday. Hindi ako pumasok sa paaralan kahapon. I didn't mean to hurt you. Hindi ko sinasadyang saktan ka. To tell the truth, I didn't do anything. Para sabihin ang totoo, wala akong ginawa kahit ano. He didn't come on time. Hindi siya dumating sa tamang oras. He didn't interrupt our conversation. Hindi niya inabala ang aming pag-uusap. I didn't know about it until someone told me. Hindi ko pa alam ang tungkol doon hanggang sa may nakapagsabi sa akin. We didn't hire you because of your age. Hindi ka namin tinanggap dahil sa edad mo. You didn't do it right. Hindi mo nagawa ng tama. I didn't like her since the first day we've met. Hindi ko siya gusto simula pa noong unang beses kaming nagkita.